Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. I'm the owner of Lollipop Box Club, and today I am doing a mini unboxing of the January Do What You Love kit. There you go. Really excited about this kit. I just feel like January needs colour. It can feel just a little grey after Christmas and all the excitement and bills and all that kind of thing. So we need a bit of happiness in January. So I'm going to show you what's inside this really fun kit this month. So now to start off, there should be something new. It's not in here at the moment, but it's due to arrive tomorrow. I really hope I like it. Fingers crossed, if I do, it will be going here. So that's something to look forward to. I will leave it as a surprise at the moment. Opening up, obviously you can use the tissue paper. If you haven't seen one of my unboxings before, I do not open everything. These kits are due to be sent on the 17th of January. So if you've purchased one already, they leave on the 17th. And a lot of the kit is a surprise, so I won't be opening all the packages, so you will get that little element of surprise as well. Going to start with this month's notebook. These were a new item last month. I've been so pleased with them. So we've got them again this month. You've got little tick off lists this time. Really pleased with these, and I will be doing a challenge using this notebook. So look out for that. You will be able to buy extras. There is an add-ons section on the website. If you have a kit, you can purchase these bits and pieces. They're really good prices, and they will be included inside your kit at no additional cost with postage. If you don't have a kit, you can also buy these pieces. Because they're at a reduced price, there will be a small amount to pay to cover the postage though. We've got these really nice handmade mega planner clips this month. They are really big, really beautiful quality, all handmade, and the cloud is a little bit sparkly. There you go. If you don't use a planner, you can actually use them as bookmarkers. Mystery gift, which obviously I'm not going to open. You've got your treats bag here. Really fun things in there this month, but again, I won't show you what's inside. We've got die cuts, always my favorite part of the kit. I generally get through, when I'm creating for the month, I get through a good two and a half of these a month. I just always have so many ideas using them. Just give you a quick look of what's inside. We've got clouds and rainbows and arrows. If you're like me, you do like to use these and always feel like you need more, you can again purchase extra. I will link up to the add-ons section so you can have a look. I always like the clouds with the words in, but it gives you a good feel of what's in there. They're just always really fun to add to any kind of, like, whether it be your planner or your journaling pages, scrapbooking, all that kind of thing. We've got the stamps. It's a two-piece stamp again this month, so you don't have to use them together. And we've got some of my artwork on the back. If you haven't used the stamps before, we've had a few questions lately. The idea is that you have an acrylic block to use them. I've actually got last month's stamp on a block here, so they're nice and easy to use. You can also use a CD box. You can attach them to a CD box. They've got a slight stickiness, not sticky so that it sticks, leaves like a sticky residue behind, but actually they will just stick nicely to a piece of plastic. But then I also realized last month, I'm a terrible lazy creator, crafter sometimes. You can actually, well, you could even keep them to the plastic there and stick them down, but you can also stick them to the plastic, actually keep the card inside. That makes it a bit more sturdy, but you can attach them to the board here and then press it into the ink and use them that way as well if you don't have an acrylic block. Collaborating with the lovely Laura from Ip Dip this month. You've got these really cute badges. Pop them on your bags, on your jackets, pop them wherever you like. Really sweet badges. Really happy with these, and Laura is so sweet. If you're not familiar with Ip Dip, I will link up below for you to go and have a look. All her own beautiful artwork. We've also got really fun stickers this month from Blossom Nose Co. Tash always designs these exclusive stickers for us. They're really fun to use. And we've also got papers. We've got 5 different designs for you to use, and you get 2 of each. You can again purchase extra if you wish to go in the kit. And we've also got to-do lists, and we've got your weekly planners as well. If you are a subscriber, certain bits and pieces like the lists here. We've also got an embellishment postcard as well, and a calendar for the month. They will all be free for downloads. There'll be a code inside the box so you can print them off for free, and for anybody else you can actually purchase them to download as well. So that's what's inside the kit this month. Like I said, I haven't actually opened up everything. There's still some surprises for you. Now, as well as the add-ons, the extra bits and pieces, there are also stencil this month. It was also available last month. The clouds just go so well. So if you didn't purchase a stencil last month, this is a 6x6 stencil. We've also got some different designs of washi tape which go really well this month. This one is like a rainbowy, and then we've got a couple of different types of sky washi tapes. And we've also got this really sweet rainbow patch as well. Plus there's a few other add-ons which I will link up for you. I also thought I would quickly share the next month's planner set with you as well. If you haven't seen these before, these are new this year. January's is obviously already out. They come with this sticker sheet, so you can jazz up your planner pages a little bit. These are sold separately as well, which you will also see in the add-on section. But the planner kit, then you receive the stickers, all the pages, and you get a postcard and the embellishment postcard as well. The dashboard is lovely and sturdy. You've got the year planner there on the other side, and then you go into the month's calendar. You've then got the important dates, monthly goals, mustn't forgets. You've got your week's plans. I use these for my cleaning schedule and also for my meal planning, but you can use them for homework schedules, fitness, budget planning, all that kind of thing. Anything where you need obviously a Monday through till Sunday. And then you go on to the actual weekly planner there. You've got your time, so you can write down your time slots if you want. I like to write if I've got any appointments or anything like that underneath, any birthdays, anything like that. And then I do my block planning, so I will write out, and I'll show you actually an example. Here's a good example. I will then actually block what I'm actually doing and my plans. And on the back of each one, you've got a note section as well, and that goes through the whole of the month. And then you can add your stickers to add dates, and whether you've got meal planning, going out for coffee, phone to-dos, remembers, day outs, happy mail, today's, anything like that, you can just add your stickers. So that is the planner set, which I will link up below for you as well. These are sold separately. It's £7.95 for the whole set. That includes the stickers as well, and includes delivery within the UK. Internationals, it's a flat rate of £5.50 for delivery, and these get sent out at the start of every month, and then the main Lollipop Box Club kit will be forwarded after that. Something else really exciting this month, we are hosting a Happy Mail swap, so I will link up below for you as well within our group. It's a Valentine's swap. And whilst I'm on the subject of what we're doing in the group, if you aren't a member of the Lollipop chat group, it's a private group on Facebook where we just talk boxes. We also talk planners, crafting, creating, all that kind of thing. I've also started up the journal challenges again. We took a bit of a break sort of over the busy Christmas period, and I've started them back. This was made with last month's kit, and the journal challenge, it's simply to be inspired by Chase Your Dreams. I've done a couple of pictures of the kids here, and I've used the kit, done some journaling, and that's how I've taken this challenge. So if you would like to join in with the journaling challenges, I'm going to be doing a few each month, and then at the end of the month there'll be one lucky winner. And again, I will link up below so you can join in with the challenges as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing. I will link up the kit. There's a few one-offs available. It's selling out really quickly this month. The previous month's kit has sold out now. So grab this really fun kit whilst you still can. And like I said, they will be shipped on the 17th of January. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.